Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to guide how to enable the secure boot on Windows, Dell laptop or system. So first of all, you can check it with the system information and you can see it's off. So in this video, how you can enable it, whether you want to install Windows 11 or for any game, you can enable it. So what you need to do is click on your system, this option, and then go to system, then click on the option recovery and advanced startup. Restart your system, or you can just simply restart your system and press F2 key on your keyboard. But this step should work in all the laptop, even any model you have. Troubleshoot advanced options and UEFI firmware setting. Restart. And you will see the BIOS option. Tap F2 key like this to get the BIOS access. Now once you go into the BIOS option, go to boot configuration and on the right hand side look for the option secure boot. Secure boot maybe look different on your system, but you have to look for the secure boot. Even you can search on your Windows secure boot and you will see secure boot and secure boot mode. You will directly land into this page. Just click on enable. Once secure boot is enabled, apply changes, save as custom setting if it is untick, then click on OK and then click on exit, and secure boot should be enabled now. Now you can see secure boot is successfully on. So this is how you can enable the secure boot in Dell laptop or system. So I hope guys this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.